The next compound of boron, that is boron halide, that is particularly boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride. Now, how will you prepare this boron trifluoride? So, preparation method. So, preparation of boron trifluoride, the first one from that is B2O3 boric anhydride, that is B2O3 is reacted with calcium fluoride and sulfuric acid. Calcium fluoride and sulfuric acid, and from that is BF3 boron trifluoride, and calcium and sulfate is there, so that calcium sulfate and that is water molecule. We are getting water molecule. Now 3 fluorine and 2 fluorine, so that opposite it is 3 and that 2. So fluorine is balanced and also boron is balanced. Now 3 calcium, so that it is 3 calcium. Now 3 sulfate ion is there, so that 3 sulfate ion. Now hydrogen it is 6 hydrogen and 3 oxygen, so that it is 3 oxygen and 6 hydrogen. So it is first method of preparation. Then the second one, the same B2O3 boron boric anhydride is reacted with the carbon and fluorine. Then it will be gives that is BF3 boron trifluoride, and carbon monoxide. Now 2 boron, so that 2, and fluorine is 6, so that it is 3, and oxygen is 3, and carbon, so that 3, and here 3 carbon. So B2O3 is reacted with calcium fluoride or carbon and fluorine, we are getting that BF3. The third preparation method, it is benzene diazonium fluoroborate. What is that benzene diazonium fluoroborate? That is C6H5 N double bond N and BF4. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate. This benzene diazonium fluoroborate is on heating. We are getting fluorobenzene C6H5F and BF3 and that nitrogen. So these 3 are preparation methods of BF3. Now we may take that is properties of BF3. And the first chemical property, when BF3 is act as a Lewis acid. What do you mean by Lewis acid? A Lewis acid is one which accepts an electron. So we may take that is when ammonia NH3 is reacted with BF3. Ammonia is reacted with BF3, and you know that ammonia as a lone pair. And this lone pair of electron is accepted by that boron and forming a coordination bond. So that here NH3 lone pair is donation, a pair of electron is donated by a single atom are called as coordinate bond, and it is BF3. Why BF3 accepts a pair of electron? Because BF3 has only 6 electron in a valence shell, BF3, and so it has a vacant orbital, so it accepts a bond pair of electron from electron rich component. So it is electron rich and electron deficient, so it may act as Lewis acid because of electron deficient, and NH3 has one lone pair, so it will be act as Lewis base. The same way we are taking that with water. What is that? Water. Oxygen has 2 lone pair. And is reacted with BF3 and making that covalent or coordinate bond. So that here H2O and its lone pair and one more lone pair, it is donated and form that BF3. So it is Lewis acid and Lewis base. So here we may take BF3 is reacted with the water and forming that coordinate bond. It is nothing but coordinate bond. What is it? A bond is made up of 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons is donated by a single atom, is known as coordinate bond. Now, we may take that is hydrolysis of BF3. We may take the third one, it is hydrolysis. So, hydrolysis of BF3, we may take BF3, 4 molecules of BF3 on hydrolysis, that is 12 molecule of water, and form that boric acid H3BO3, 4 molecule and 12 molecule of HF. 12 molecule of HF. Now, we are taken again, we are take that is 3 molecule of H3BO3 boric acid, and we are take that is 12 molecule of HF. 12 molecule of HF, and form that here that is 3 H plus and 3 BF4 minus and 9 water molecule. So, it is on hydrolysis product. Now, we may take the total reaction. We are take BF3. So, there is no BF3. So, that 4 BF3. Now, 12 HF is there, and 12 HF is the product. Here reactant and product. So, cancel out. Now, 3 H3BO3, 4 H3BO3. So, 1 H3BO3 is there. So, here H3BO3. Then 12 molecule of water and 9 water molecule. So, we may cancel out plus 3 molecule of water. Then remaining, what is that? There is 3 H plus and 3 BF4 minus. And these two are combined. There is 3 HBF4 minus. So, HBF4. HBF4 is fluoroboric acid. Fluoroboric acid. Now, we may take that the uses. Uses of BF3. The first one, it is the best fluorinating agent. Fluorinating agent. So, it is fluorinating agent, and this HBF4 as a catalyst. What is that? Catalyst. Okay. And the next one, we are taking the structure of BF3. Structure of BF3. Now, we may take boron in a ground state. Ground state, it is NS2 and NP1. NP1. Now, excited state of boron, it is NS1 and NP2. So, here 1 and 1. Now, in BF3 molecule, it will be undergoes sp2. One s orbital and 2 p orbital is undergoing hybridization. So, that in BF3, boron undergoes sp2 hybridized state. sp2 hybridized state, and 1 pz orbital as vacant. So, what is the hybridization of boron in BF3? That is sp2 hybridization. And here sp2 hybridization, 1 s orbital and 2 p orbitals are involved. So, that we are taking that sp2, and here it is the sp2 hybridization. This is the sp2 hybridization. So, 3 sp2 hybridized orbital, sp2 and sp2 and sp2. So, 1 and 2 p orbital, 1 s orbital and 2 p orbital. So, 3 sp2 hybridized orbital. Now, we may take that it is boron. Now, we may take that all those sp2 hybridized orbitals are equivalent and it has a planar. It has a planar. Now, we may take that a halogen. Halogen has NS2 NP5. We are take NS2 and NP5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is 2p z orbital, it is 1 off-filled electron. And for boron in a excited state, it is NS1 and here 1, 2, 1, 1. So it is sp2 hybridized, one is vacant. Now fluorine atom, one vacant orbital. Fluorine atom is one unpaired electron, sorry, it is an unpaired electron, not vacant orbital, it is unpaired electron. It has 3 unpaired electron for boron atom, so that here 1 and that 1 and making that bond. So 3 fluorine atom is making that bond. So here we may take 3 fluorine atom is making a bond. So fluorine is making that bond, fluorine, and here also we may take, what is it? Here 3 fluorine atom and making a bond, it is fluorine. So fluorine, fluorine, and here fluorine and making a bond. So that here we are take boron and here fluorine and fluorine and here fluorine, and this is made of a covalent bond and it has vacant orbital. Vacant orbital. Now we may take that the very important relation of BF3 and BCl3 and BBr3 and Bi3. Now we may take the Lewis acid strength. What do you mean by Lewis acid? By accepting electron. Which one has highest Lewis acid? And the expected order, we may take the expected order when BF3 is greater than BCl3 and BBr3 and Bi3. It is the expected order. But we may take the real one, the opposite. Here BF3, it is Lewis acid strength. Lewis acid strength. So the Lewis acid strength of BF3 is very less than that of BCl3 and BBr3 and Bi3. Why? It is due to the real order, it is Lewis acid strength. Lewis acid strength. So the Lewis acid strength of BF3 is very least because of p-pi back bonding. We may take that BF3, we may take boron, trifluoride, fluorine, and here fluorine, and here fluorine. And boron has vacant orbital. Boron has vacant orbital. So that here the bond, here the bond, here the bond. It is a planar shape. And after making a bond with fluorine, and this bond is reversed, that is back bonding. After making a bond, the fluorine donated back to boron. So boron accepted its vacant orbital. So boron is a Lewis acid, so that BF3 accepted the vacant orbital, and this is known as p-pi back bonding. p-pi back bonding. So due to p-pi back bonding, the electron deficiency of boron is so much reduces. So much reduces. How it is reduces? We are take that is BF3 and BBr3 and BCl3 and BBr3 and Bi3. Now the overlap of back bonding is due to 2p orbital of boron and 2p orbital of fluorine. And here it is 2p and it is also 2p and equivalent shape. So overlapping is maximum. So that here overlap is maximum in the case of BF3. So boron has electron deficient. The electron deficiency is so much reduces by p-pi back bonding and also the shape of orbital. And 2p shape of orbital overlapping is maximum, so that it has least Lewis acid strength. Now we may take that BCl3 and here 2p of boron and 3p of chlorine, and here 2p of boron and 4p of bromine, and here and it is 2p of boron and 5p of iodine. 5p of iodine. Now the overlapping is minimum because it is 2p orbital, and here it is 5p orbital of iodine. The overlap is minimum because one is biggest shape, 5p orbital has biggest shape and 2p orbital has smallest shape, so overlap is not occur properly. So it has minimum overlap, so that Bi3, in Bi3 boron has high electron deficient. So if it is high electron deficient, and it will may act as a strongest Lewis acid. So the Lewis acid strength is reversed than we are expecting. Okay students, in this session we are taking the diborane and structure of diborane, and boron trifluoride and structure of boron trifluoride, and Lewis acid strength of boron halides. Okay, so keep on learning. Anyone who stop learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. So keep on learning. Thank you.